recording.
Hi, hello, good morning everyone. Today I'm going to explain about text summarization in information retrieval. And we are three team members. My teammates is Shanmukha, Yenuganti, Bhargavi Bhaskarla, and Jayadeep Pathri. I'm going to give a brief explanation about the topics we are going to cover. The first one is introduction, second one is overview of text summarization, and then types of summarization like single, multi-query, and what's the importance of summarization information retrieval, how it works like pre-processing to generation and processing the documents, and what is the difference between extractive and abstractive summarization, categorization, and summarization workflow. And we're going to see in some brief real world examples and use cases, key challenges, and future trends. First one is introduction. Introduction is what's this first definition of text summarization is. Text summarization is automatically like condenses long text into an shortest form of text with an correct meaning or which has context of this meaning. And goal is like text summarization goal is to reduce reading time and keeping the crucial points and main topic ahead. And next one, and what is text summarization, and there are some types of summarization and some examples. And types of summarization, there are two primary types, extractive and abstractive. Extractive summarization, like it selects and compiles important sentences directly from the source text, while abstractive summarization involves in generating new sentences, adding some more topics and points to the existing points. And here some practical examples. Practical illustration of summarization can be seen in the process of condensing news articles. Like in a news article, we have like so many paragraphs which condense into a small and shortest text, which can carry the meaning of the uh, data exactly to everyone. And next, types of text summarization. Types there are three types: single, multi, and query based. Let's go to see about single documented text summarization. This approach focuses on summarizing one document at a time, which allows detailed of analysis for individual texts. It's actually useful in contexts where source need to be captured without any influence of other in factors or other factors. Next one, multi-document. Multi-document, like in contrast, like multi-document summarization extract key points from multiple sources of documents like Google or any Chat GPT or any Gemini, which provides an overview of the related documents. This method is essential for like synthesizing information or making reports, extracting any uh, data sets, and which is also helpful for literature reviews and comparative analysis. And next one is query based. Query based summarization generates like tailored to specific user queries. Like if user asks about what is this, then it will give the related points to the user query. This particular user like Google search engines, Yahoo, and Firefox search engines, where user intend to drive summarization of the topic on a particular point. The next topic will be continued by my teammate Jaydeep.
Hello, this is Jayadeep, and here I am going to explain about the importance of text summarization and how text summarization works, and also the difference between the extractive and abstractive summarization and the workflow of the text summarization. When it comes to importance of text summarization, it enhances the search engine results and it has the improves document browsing and supports question answering systems. Enhances search engine like the text summarization significantly improves the significant efficiency of search engines by enabling them to retrieve relevant documents quickly, and improves the document browsing by summarizing length document. Text summarization saves user valuable time when skimming through content. This efficiency only increases productivity but also users access critically, and it supports the question answering system like the text summarization plays a important role in question answering systems by providing concise answers and extracted from lengthy documents. This capability enhances users' interaction with information systems. And how text summarization works, like it has few steps like pre-processing steps and sentence scoring techniques and summary generation methods. And in pre-processing steps, in initial phase, the text summarization involves pre-processing steps and word removal and streaming. This technique also essential for the pre-processing and ensuring the summarization algorithms can effectively identify by the key key influence. The sentence scoring technique, once the text is pre-processed, the sentence scoring technique are sentenced based on their frequency and the relevance. In these, the algorithms such as commonly used to rank the sentence and determine which one should be included. And summarization generation method, the final stage in this text summarization, it generates the summary which can be achieved through extractive and abstractive method. This process may combine both techniques to create coherent and informative summary that accurately reflects the original text meaning. Here is the extractive and abstractive summarization. Like extractive summarization, this method involves it selecting key phrases and sentences directly from the original text and relies on the ranking algorithms such as text rank and IDF to determine the importance. The extractive summarization is straightforward but may lack coherence in the final output. It is the extractive is still opposite to the abstractive, whereas abstractive summarization generates new sentence using advanced deep learning models techniques such as transformer based models such as GPT-4, T5, and allows more understanding of the text summarization and and providing the summaries that are more often coherent and contextual relevant. And here comes the summarization workflow. It The processes involve the few steps like pre-processing, sentence scoring, and summary generation. The process involves in the pre-processing includes the tokenization, stop forward removal, and streaming to prepare the text. The sentence scoring identifies and ranks important sentence based on factors like frequency and position. And final step is summary generation. This here where the key context is either extracted directly or rephrased abstractively. And you can see the flowchart of an architecture of the summarization workflow. And application is continued by my next teammate Bhargavi.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Bhargavi. Today we are discussing about the topic text summarization and information retrieval. In a world where we deal with massive amount of text every day, news, research, legal records, and online content, text summarization helps us quickly extract the most important information. It plays a crucial role in improving how we find and understand information. So here we are going heading with a topic real world impact and applications across the industries. Let's look at some real world impacts and applications across key industries. Like first comes to search engines, where search engines like Google use summarization to generate the snippets or featured answers we see at the top of search results. So, as this summarizes help users understand content relevance without reading the entire page. And the second is healthcare. In healthcare, text summarization is used to condense long patient records, medical reports, or research papers. And the third is legal documents. The legal field benefits from summarization by creating concise summaries of case files, contracts, or court judgments. It saves lawyers and judges hours of reading time and improves case preparation efficiency. In a way, it helps. And in coming to news aggregation, platforms like InShots, Google News, or Yahoo News use summarization to deliver short, informative headlines and summarizes of long news stories. So overall, the summarization improves information accessibility, reduces reading time, and enhances decision making across the sectors. So the next I'm heading to can yeah. Thank you. Next, the implementation of tools and examples. They actually, as my friend said, there are two main types of text summarization. Those are extractive summarization and abstractive summarization. So, extractive summarization select key sentences or phrases directly from the text. So, the tools like text rank, summy, and lex rank word well for this approach. And whereas in abstractive summarization generates new human-like sentences that captured the meaning of text using deep learning models. Examples of it are BERT-SUM, T5, BART, and GPT-based models. So next, my friend, can you please change to next slide? Yes, thank you. The use cases of in various fields. Some other use cases include business reports summarizing long financial or market reports, research and academics generating abstracts or literature reviews, coming to e-commerce, summarizing customer reviews, coming to social media, summarizing trends or public opinions for sentiment analysis. These are the use cases highlight how summarization helps managers information overload in almost every domain. Next slide, please. So, measuring the success and evaluation metrics is a crucial role. To measure how a good summary is, we have tools like RUG, which is ROUGE, means Recall Oriented Understudy for Gisting Evaluation. It measures overlap between generated and reference summaries, and we also use BLEU that evaluates how closely the summary matches human written ones, and bird score and human evaluation like judges clarity, fluency, and informativeness. So these metrics ensure that the summaries are not only short but also accurate and meaningful. And next, please. Yeah. So these are the coming to the key challenges. However, text summarization faces several challenges. Maintaining context and coherence, especially for abstractive summaries, avoiding information loss and bias, handling domain-specific text like medical or legal jargon, and generating factually correct summaries that don't distort the original meaning. Next slide, please. Yeah, these are the future trends and conclusion. So looking forward the future, personalized summarization will tailor summarizes to individual users. Multimodal summarization will combine text, audio, and video data. And coming to real-time summarization will allow instant summaries of live data such as news streams. So explainable AI will help us understand why certain sentences were selected. In conclusion, I can say as text summarization is transforming how we retrieve and understand information. By covering long, complex text into concise, meaningful summaries, it helps across users across industries make faster and better decisions. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity. Thank you.